Ice Universe, a leaker, has revealed further information on the supposed titanium frame of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. As IU previously tipped, the top Galaxy S24 model may forego Samsung's signature armor aluminum in favor of more opulent titanium. However, he believes that the Galaxy S24 Ultra would weigh 233 grams, 8.21 ounces, with its additional titanium components. In contrast, this is 1 gram 0.03 ounce lower than the stated weight of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but still quite a bit heavier than the 196 gram 6.9 ounce Galaxy S23 Plus, Samsung's next biggest flagship phone. It's not a significant weight difference, but given that the S23 Ultra has a relatively light metal frame, it's surprising that Samsung will be able to reduce the weight of the phone even with a heavier material for its side rails. The most popular metal used to cover the sides of luxury smartphones is aluminum, weather armor, or otherwise. One major exception is the stainless steel used on the sides of Apple's Pro iPhone models for many years, which is a more durable but considerably heavier metal. But given the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are tipped to feature titanium frames, as well as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the 2023-24 smartphone launch cycle might wind up being the year of titanium. With the two main smartphone manufacturers tipped to use titanium, other businesses trying to improve the quality of their devices may also experiment with titanium. It's still over a year before the Galaxy S24 series is anticipated to ship in January/February 2024, so Samsung's plans might shift significantly before full production starts. Even with that caveat, we'll be on the lookout for the Galaxy S24 Ultra's titanium body pieces, as well as other alleged improvements like an enhanced telephoto camera on the Ultra variant and smoother LTPO screens on the Basic and Plus models. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.